This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Fully apply the handbrake and place chocks each side of the rear wheel diagonally opposite to the one being removed. Where applicable, remove the centre cap from the wheel. Using the special anti-theft bolt adapter where necessary, slacken each of the wheel bolts half a turn. Position the jack head under the rear of the front subframe, then raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the chassis member. Fully unscrew the bolts and remove the wheel. Locate the wheel over the hub, align the mounting holes, then insert the bolts and lightly tighten them. Remove the axle stand and lower the vehicle to the ground. Tighten the bolts to the specified torque. Where applicable, refit the wheel centre cap. Don't forget to remove the wheel chocks.